Want to practice Arabic writing? In this video you will write words that contain the letter
Sheen.
Are you ready? Let's start. In this lesson, we will introduce the letter
Sheen.
Sheen is equivalent to the combination sh, as in, she. As you can see, seen and sheen look very similar, except that seen has no dots. And sheen has 3 dots on top. Now try to write it with me. But firstly, notice that the letter sheen is easy to write. You will find everything about the letter sheen. Let's see the 3 basic voweling signs, when used with
Sheen.
First, here's the fatha. The pronunciation now will be
sh.
Next, this is a kasra. The pronunciation now will be
she.
And finally, there's a dhamma, it, now pronounced as
shu.
Listen again.
Sh. She. Shu.
Now, let's practice writing and pronouncing these basic voweling signs. When
Sheen
is written with fatha mark, the pronunciation now will be
sh.
Try to write it with fatha mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
شمعة
Means candle.
ش. م. ع. هي. شم. ع. شمعة.
Now let's join these letters together.
ش. م. ع. هي. شم. ع. شمعة.
When
Sheen
is written with kasra mark, the pronunciation now will be
she.
Try to write it with kasra mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
شبل
Means cub. She.
ب. لي. شب. لي.
شبل
Now let's join these letters together. She.
ب. شب. لي.
شبل
When
Sheen
is written with dhamma mark, the pronunciation now will be
shu.
Try to write it with dhamma mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready, let's begin.
شكر.
Means thank.
شو كي ري
شكر.
Now let's join these letters together.
شو كي ري
شكر.
The letter
شين
has four possible positions: isolated, beginning, medial, and end. Let's write them. Let's handwrite the isolated form. Here is how to write the beginning form. Like.
شحن
Means shipping.
شا حي ني شحن.
Now let's join these letters together.
شا حي ني شحن.
And next.
شكل
Means shape.
شا كي لي شكل.
Now let's join these letters together.
شا كي لي شكل.
And next.
شخص
Means person.
شا خي سي شخص.
Now let's join these letters together.
شا خي سي شخص.
And next.
شارع
Means street.
شا شا ري عي شا رع شارع.
Now let's join these letters together.
شا شا ري رع عي شا رع شارع.
Here's how to write the middle form. like,
حشد
means the crowd.
ح ش دي حشد.
Now let's join these letters together.
ح ش دي حشد.
And next,
عشب
means grass.
ع ش ب عشب.
Now let's join these letters together.
ع ش ب عشب.
And next,
بشر
means humans.
ب ش ر بشر.
Now let's join these letters together.
ب ش ر بشر.
When those exception letters come before the letter
شين
it will be written in the middle of the word. Like this. For example,
مرشد
means advisor or a guide.
م ر ش دي مرشد مرشد.
Now let's join these letters together.
م ر ش دي مرشد.
And next,
شاشة
means a screen.
ش ش ش هي ش شه شاشة.
Now let's join these letters together.
ش ش ش هي ش شه شاشة.
Here is how to write the end form. Like,
عش
means nest.
ع ش عش.
Now let's join these letters together.
عو. شي. عش.
And next.
عطش.
Means thirst.
ع. ط. شي. عطش.
Now let's join these letters together.
ع. ط. شي. عطش.
And next.
مشمش.
Means apricot.
م. شي. م. شي. مشمش.
Now let's join these letters together.
م. شي. م. شي. مشمش.
When those exception letters come before the letter
شين.
it will be written in the end of the word. Like this. For example,
عرش.
means throne.
ع. ري. شي. عرش.
Now let's join these letters together.
ع. ري. شي. عرش.
And next.
خفاش.
Means a bat.
خ. ف. ف. شي. خفاش.
Now let's join these letters together.
خ. ف. ف. شي. خفاش.
And next.
شاش.
Means gauze, white cloth.
ش. ش. شي. شاش.
Now let's join these letters together.
ش. ش. شي. شاش.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.
Don't forget to like this video. If you need any help, please leave a comment, and I will be glad to answer your questions.
Learning with Eman. Free Arabic course.